have some big news coming in on Delhi pollution levels. 80 plus domestic flight departures have been delayed or rescheduled from the Indira Gandhi International Airport today due to poor visibility. Flights have been delayed by over 30 minutes to an hour. Visibility reduces to 100 meters in Delhi's airport. Barely any visibility for flights to move, and it seems like there's a huge lag now, considering that flights could not take off due to that dense smog. 80 plus domestic flights and their departures right now have been taken a big hit. They've either been delayed or have been rescheduled from the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Poor visibility there. Flights have been delayed by over 30 minutes to an hour is what we hear. Visibility reduces to 100 meters in Delhi Airport. Special fog measures for flights at the airport have been taken up. Kumar Kunal, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Kumar Kunal, give us a little more in detail on the flights that have been now stranded for at least a 1 hour delay is what we hear has been announced for many of these airlines.
Exactly, and several airlines are reporting the rescheduling of the flights in Delhi, especially since the visibility levels are quite low since last night, and that's why several of the flights are being reported delay. Even in the noon, the visibility has not improved, and that's why the delay is getting the several flights are extended there on the runway, and that's why this kind of delays are happening. And what IGI Airport has said that the delays will continue because the visibility level is not improving as it has been expected. So first, they are advising all the commuters to talk to their respective flight operators before leaving their houses, that what's the situation for their respective flights. And that's why they are continuously issuing advisories for them as well. So hardly any expectation that the visibility will improve further on, because after 3 p.m. The visibility is likely to go worse from here as well. So there are delays in the flights, and people have to be prepared for that.
Thanks very much for joining us with that, Kumar Kunal. Well, we have some more information and scary details that's coming to fore now. Toxic smog in the national capital, Delhi, we hear in the latest, has breached nearly 60 times more the limit of the WHO. WHO limit that stands, Delhi's air pollution is 60 times worse. We see how thick smog is blanketing the national capital, Delhi. That's worsened air pollution to such a level. It's gone beyond 60 times the WHO limit. The World Health Organization's recommended daily maximum. Delhi has surpassed 60 times above it. This only shows how Delhi is breathing poison. Breathing is really not an option. So clearly it's death bit by bit. You have 60 times above the WHO limit that Delhi's pollution levels has currently been recorded at. The level of the deadly 2.5 pollutants, the fine particulate matter in the air that causes this pollution and most damage to the health particularly, has peaked to over 900. And this has gone at least 60 times beyond the WHO limit is what we hear. Poor visibility, barely any movement on the roads because of this kind of pollution and smog. You have flights that are stranded, people aren't stepping out. It is an emergency situation that needs to be tackled. And in the latest, we're looking at our Delhi's pollution limit at this point. At least the numbers that have been recorded this morning shows that it's at least 60 times higher than the World Health Organization. It's detrimental to one's health, and this is certainly an emergency that needs to be taken up. Let me cut across to Milan Sharma, joining us for more on that, our correspondent, to give us more details. Milan, WHO limit, we've gone 60 times beyond it. Give us what the WHO limit is, the daily limit of pollution that a city can reach, and how far has Delhi surpassed that?
The standards of the WHO pollution limit do not adhere to what India currently shows, and even the 2.5 particulate matter and particulate matter 10 does not match up to the WHO standards. We have already crossed this previously as well, and of course, in South Asia, overall, not just in India but other countries as well, the prescribed limits of WHO, pollution levels that should be controlled and monitored, India has surpassed them in the earlier instance as well. And once again, this time, India has, again gone ahead of what the WHO prescribed limit tells us. We've been looking at more than 400, 500, and in some places more than 600 of the AQI. In some pollution counting stations, it is not even measurable. And let's just not talk about Delhi, but also neighboring states of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, as well as far as Agra in Uttar Pradesh, we are looking at the pollution levels that have peaked, which is why it's pretty concerning as state governments as well as central governments have sprung into action, which is a knee-jerk reaction which is being seen at the moment to the rising levels of pollution, whether it's due to the farm fires, stubble burning or vehicular pollution. Current situation really does not seem conducive for the citizens living in these areas at all, Nabila.
Right. From what we see here, the Delhi government has really resorted now to implement the stage 4 of the graded action plan to ensure that curbs are still in place and pollution levels can be tackled. Thanks very much for joining us, Milind, with those details. Now, we're also looking at the froth in Yamuna. That's Hazardous, and Delhiites right now once again suffering in the national capital with air quality that's plummeted with a record 481 that's been registered. Delhi government has announced suspension of physical classes for students, except those in classes 10 and 12, with schools now shifting to online mode until further notice. Now, due to heavy fog, the visibility at the Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport was just 100 meters at 7 a.m. The Cat 3 measures were activated and flight operations continues despite low visibility, but we see the latest information that we got was that many flights were delayed, many have been also cancelled. In the last few days, situation has gotten worse for the airlines because of low visibility. Takeoff landing has really become a task. Meanwhile, IMD has also now issued an advisory for Delhiites, declaring orange alert. The fog is anticipated to be denser than expected. Now, starting today, the GRAP 4 will be imposed, strict rules that will be imposed, and there will be a complete ban on entry of trucks, halt on construction for all public projects. Non-essential light commercial vehicles from outside Delhi are also barred. Additionally, construction activities, including public infrastructure projects that involve construction, there has also been temporarily suspended. Situation worsens, the odd-even rule might also come back to play.
Dense fog and severe air pollution has disrupted the national capital, and this has impacted various modes of transport in the Delhi. Road, rail and airports all are impacted due to the thick layer of fog. Currently, I am here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, and as you can see behind me in the visuals, how a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the whole airport area, which has impacted the air movement, airlines movement, aeroplane movement, and people have been asked to wait for the hours due to the flight delays for many hours. People are in distress, and as you can see in the visuals, how the fog, you can see 100 meter, 200 meter, the current situation of visibility here at the airport, and even the airport authorities have implemented low visibility procedures to smoothen the airport movement. And the situation here clearly depicts that how rail, road and airways all are impacted due to the pollution. On the roads, if you will go, you will see long jams, and even railway stations are witnessing delays due to this smoke. With cameraman Emmanuel Anmol Bali from New Delhi.
For the first time this year, the air quality index in national capital area has breached the mark of 470, which is indicating that the air quality has come under very severe category. Right now, I am filing this report from Akshardham temple, and you can see the temple, which is barely 100 meters away from this place, is not visible, and it's because of the smog which has engulfed the entire area. At the same time, people are forced to drive their vehicle with the headlights on, and it's because the visibility level has also come down to a new low. Remember that the temperature is also dipping, because of which the visibility level is also coming down. People are facing a lot of problems, not only because of fog, smog, but also the pollution which is there in the air. Looking at the rising pollution, the government has also imposed GRAP 4, which means that there will be more restrictions, which includes banning of entry of trucks in national capital. The government has also announced that there will be online mode education for the students, barring the students of class 12th and 10th. The government has said that in coming few days, more restrictions could be imposed. But in the past 2 weeks, we are also seeing as to how the air pollution level in national capital continues to rise. With video journalist Lokendra, I'm Piyush Mishra in Delhi for India Today.
Pollution situation in the national capital is worsening day by day, and as you can see in the visuals currently, I am here at the Kartavya Path, and as you can see behind me how a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the whole national capital, and even the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is around few kilometers away from me where I am standing, is not visible. On the other hand, I'll also show you in the visuals that even India Gate is not visible due to thick layer of smoke, and this is not in the national capital. Even the adjoining cities like Gurugram and Noida are witnessing the same, where air quality index in the national capital has touched the severe plus category, and even GRAP 4 measures have been imposed by the government to curb the pollution. But you can see the situation in the national capital, which is worsening day by day. Schools have been shifted till class 9th to the online mode. Construction works have been halted, demolition work have been halted by the government. And on the other hand, I'll show you the visuals of the Kartavya Path, which is looking deserted, because usually in the morning we see people coming from the various corners of the national capital for the walk, jog, and to have glimpse of India Gate, Vijay Chowk, Rashtrapati Bhavan. But deserted look here symbolizes the real condition of the national capital, where people are preferring to stay indoor due to pollution. With cameraman Emmanuel, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.
Now, if I could take our viewers through exactly what are the reasons to why pollution is being caused in Delhi. Let's take you through the number one reason, of course, here on the list is stubble burning. Stubble burning seems to be the real cause of pollution to this levels. Smoke from fields of Punjab and Haryana, both coming towards Delhi, that's leading to this unprecedented level of pollutions. And then you have the reason number two, calm winds. Now, calm winds, where Delhi winds we hear have remained calm. It's largely still. It's not dispersing pollutants. And then you also have fog issues. Fog in early hours that's trapping pollutants close to the surface. That's also the reason. And also cold air. At this point, we hear that the cold temperature that's making the dispersal of pollutants a lot more difficult right here in the national capital. So there you have it, the list of reasons that we've given you here, but yet we are looking at politics that plays out on pollution levels. As expected, you have the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP at loggerheads. Now, while pollution peaks, we're also looking at jibes on both ends, political parties, after the Supreme Court has asked the Aam Aadmi Party to list the anti-pollution measures taken by them and directed them to not go below the GRAP 4 measures without Supreme Court's permission. Meanwhile, as we expect, blame game has erupted between AAP and BJP over deteriorating air quality levels in the national capital. BJP has been calling the Aam Aadmi Party incompetent for failing to curb pollution levels in Delhi again this year. The Saffron Party leaders were also seen disturbing masks to people outside several metro stations. In fact, the Delhi Chief Minister blames the BJP-ruled states for hazardous air in the national capital, claiming Aam Aadmi Party has managed to reduce the farm fire cases in Punjab, and BJP governments in Haryana and Rajasthan, UP and MP, Madhya Pradesh as well, have all failed to curb stubble burning as compared to what AAP has done in Punjab. In fact, she's also gone on to ask the centre to take a lot more responsibility for air emergency in North India.
स्टबल बर्निंग का फार्म फायर का डेटा देखने जाइए तो ये दिखता है कि चाहे राजस्थान हो वहां पे स्टबल बर्निंग हो रही है, चाहे हरियाणा हो, चाहे उत्तर प्रदेश हो, चाहे मध्य प्रदेश हो, और केंद्र सरकार क्या कर रही है? अगर इस पूरे देश में एक राज्य है जिसने स्टबल बर्निंग की, पराली जलाने की घटनाओं को कम किया है, वो पंजाब है। क्यों केंद्र सरकार इस मुद्दे पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ राजनीति कर रही है? क्यों केंद्र सरकार पराली जलाने की घटनाओं को रोकने के लिए कोई कदम नहीं उठा रही? देखिए, जब पराली का धुआं आता है, वो ये नहीं देखता कि मध्य प्रदेश यहां पे खत्म हो गया और उत्तर प्रदेश यहां पे शुरू हो गया, उत्तर प्रदेश यहां पे खत्म हो गया, दिल्ली यहां पे शुरू हो गया, दिल्ली यहां पे खत्म हो गया, राजस्थान यहां पे शुरू हो गया। पराली का धुआं ये नहीं देखता कि दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है और उत्तर प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है। मेरी केंद्र सरकार से यही अपील है कि राजनीति करना बंद करें, सामने आए, कदम उठाएं और नॉर्थ इंडिया के सभी राज्यों में पराली जलाने की इन घटनाओं को कम करें।
दिल्ली इस समय गैस चैम्बर बनी हुई है, चारों तरफ धुआं ही धुआं है और अपनी दिल्ली के लोगों को सचेत करना, उनको जागरूक करना, ये हमारा कर्तव्य है। क्योंकि दिल्ली सरकार के नकारेपन का परिणाम तो दिल्ली भुगत रही है। पिछले 10 सालों में पोल्यूशन को लेकर कभी कोई गंभीरता दिखाई नहीं गई और हम बार बार इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि पोल्यूशन 1 या 2 महीने की समस्या नहीं है। जनवरी 1 2024 से लेकर आज 18 नवंबर हो गया, एक दिन भी 50 से नीचे AQI नहीं गया है। तो इसका मतलब ये 12 महीने की दिक्कत है और इस पोल्यूशन से लड़ने के लिए 12 महीने 24/7 काम करने की जरूरत है।
दिल्ली में लगातार बढ़ रहे प्रदूषण की वजह से वायु गुणवत्ता काफी खराब स्थिति में है और इसीलिए आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कैसे बीजेपी के जो नेता हैं वो केंद्रीय सचिवालय मेट्रो स्टेशन की ठीक बाहर मास्क बांटते हुए यहाँ पर नजर आ रहे हैं। वो लोगों से दरख्वास्त कर रहे हैं कि लोग जो है वो मास्क पहन लें क्योंकि स्थिति जो है वो बेहद खराब हो चुकी है और पिछले कई दिनों से दिल्ली में प्रदूषण जो है वो लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं दिल्ली बीजेपी अध्यक्ष जो है वो लोगों से बोल रहे हैं कि प्रदूषण की वजह से लोगों की हालत जो है वो प्रदूषण की वजह से स्थिति काफी खराब है और लोगों को मास्क पहनना चाहिए।